movement's been around for years, but a group of people think Springfield could do a little better at going green. A task force is now looking at ways to make Springfield buildings more eco-friendly. KSPR's Lauren Posen joins us now with how those recommendations could impact you. Lauren?
Melody, the task force is a mix of professionals in construction or related fields who have knowledge, interest, and experience in the green building movement.
Jennifer McClure, Government Affairs Specialist with the Home Builders Association of Greater Springfield, sits in the Green Task Force representing homeowners.
We feel like those folks need to be represented because they ultimately pay the cost. If any recommendation has a cost associated with it, the homeowner pays the full burden of that cost.
When the task force meets, they break down green building practices, codes, and policies to see what changes could be made to better Springfield and Greene County. Cost and affordability are at the top of the list.
Is the taxpayer sitting at that table with us saying, yes, it's okay to pay for that, no, I don't want to pay for that? And so they need to have a voice in this process.
McClure says getting into an energy efficient home can be a challenge for people. One reason, government regulations take up 25% of the cost of a new home.
If I go out and I buy a $200,000 home right now, I'm paying $50,000 in regulatory cost, and I'm actually getting a $150,000 house.
She says the goal during this process is to find a way for homeowners to go green without breaking the bank.
We want to find a place where people can afford that new, more efficient home, and we also want to be sure that it performs well so they can afford to live in that home.
One recommendation from the Home Builders Association is to survey homeowners for feedback.
We can find out what people do and don't want in their community. I don't think it should just be limited to the discussion of a few people around the table.
The brainstorming sessions are just underway. However, it's been in the planning stages for the past several years as the science and technology of green building continues to evolve.
The task force itself is primarily industry professionals, so we feel like we should be able to come to terms on something that's achievable, affordable, and also location specific.
The Home Builders Association is just one of 13 organizations represented on the task force. New homes are a small percentage of what could be impacted when recommendations are made. Existing homes and commercial properties could be as well. And it could also come down to just educating builders and the public on going green. Melody?
Thanks, Lauren. The task force will meet again next month. They are expected to complete their work and produce final recommendations to the council in spring of 2013.